Stop cleaning the kettlebell like a fucking loser. You have no control, you're bruising your forearms, you're fighting with the kettlebell, and you're about to tap out. Instead, start with a good hike position, pull the kettlebell in between your legs so your wrist and forearm touches your groin area. From there, it's a mix of a deadlift and a row. Deadlift because you're gonna stand tall quick, and row because you're gonna be pulling the kettlebell by bringing the elbow back. It's a quick pull, like yaga. After that quick pull, you wanna slightly open up your hand so the handle can rotate inside your palm. When you squeeze too hard, you don't have a chance to decelerate the kettlebell, and that's when you have a bad landing. So you have to hike the kettlebell, stand tall, pull the elbow back, slightly open up your hand, let the kettlebell rotate around your wrist, and then absorb. It takes timing and practice. It's all about pulling hard enough so it could come up to the rack, but not too hard so you lose control. And in the case that you do pull too hard, knowing how to absorb and decelerate the kettlebell. You also want to make sure you keep the kettlebell as close as possible to your body on the way up and on the way down. And remember, you can never be a loser if you're training with kettlebells. Follow for more.